So, good morning, guys. Let's have breakfast. Amke's kitchen. Whoa. So, right here, guys, eggs. I like my eggs in the morning. So, right here, let's put some pepper. Because I like pepper. So, right here, then I'm gonna put some salt. Right here. Just like so. And then you take for 1 minute. You take this. I don't know if this cool, but you break it up so like this. Make a nice and neat. Amke's kitchen. So just all you have to do, you have to just watch the eggs. Let it cook by itself. So right here, guys, separate like so. Beautiful. So now I've opened the two jumbo micros. I'm gonna put some ham on there. Ham is good. I love ham, guys. So right here, champagne ham. Right here. So I'm just now gonna wait for the eggs to cook, to fry. I'm frying 2 bacon and eggs. Right here, guys. Just look what I do. Beautiful. So right here, I got this one. It's easier to put the egg there, right here. So now turn it off because that's fried. I'm gonna take 1 egg, put there right here. Oh my God, what a breakfast. Beautiful breakfast. Right there like this. Then I'm gonna put some cheese. I'm a food lover, guys. Right there, breakfast time. Amke's kitchen. Ham and bacon. Ham and eggs. Right there, guys. That's beautiful. So clean up a little bit. Amke's kitchen. Make sure you turn off the oven. Thank you guys for watching. Amke's kitchen. See you later.